Hello everyone and welcome all of you today in this class. In previous class we have learned about ordered pairs and equality of ordered pairs and Cartesian product. Today in this class we will discuss some numerical problems from exercise 2.1. We have already discussed from question number 1 to 5. Now we will discuss from question number 6. So let's start. Question number 6. If A into B this equal to given A into B is equal to A comma X comma A comma Y comma B comma X comma B comma Y. Find if A into B is equal to this, then find A and B. Solutions. We know that A into B is equal to ordered by A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. We know that. Here A comma B belongs to set A. Therefore, the set A is equal to A comma B. And X comma Y belongs to set B. Therefore, B is equal to X comma Y. We know that A into B is equal to ordered by A comma B such that A belongs to A. The elements A belongs to the set A and the elements B. The elements B belongs to set B. Here A comma B belongs to the set A. Therefore, A is equal to the set of the elements A comma B. And X comma Y, the element X comma Y belongs to the set B. Therefore, the set B is equal to X comma Y. The elements are X comma Y. Next. Question number 7. Let A equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, C is equal to 5, 6. And D is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then verify Roman number 1, A into B intersection C. This equal to A into B intersection A into C. Solutions. Left hand side. First we will find B intersection C. B intersection C. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection C is equal to 5, 6. We know that B intersection C is the set of the elements which are common both the sets B and C. The common elements of the set B and C. Therefore, you can write here. There are no common elements of the set B and C. Therefore, B intersection C is equal to 5. Here, B intersection C. Here, there are no common elements of B and C. The set B and C. Therefore, B intersection C is equal to 5. Therefore, A into B intersection C is equal to A is equal to 1, 2 into 5. D is equal to 5. We know that A into 5 is equal to 5. Next, we'll find right hand side. First, we will find A cos A into B. A is equal to 1, 2 into B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, A is equal to 1, 1, next 1, 2, next 1, 3, next 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next we will find A into C. A into C. A is equal to 1, 2 into C is equal to 5, 6. 5, 6. Then we have 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next we will find A into B intersection A into C. This is equal to A into B is equal to the elements are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next, the elements of the set A into C is equal to 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 3. Here, there are no common elements of A into B and A into C. Therefore, this is equal to 5. Therefore, we have left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, proof A into B intersection C equal to A into B intersection A into C. Next, question number 7, Roman number 2. Roman number 2. A into C is a subset of B into D. A into C is a subset of B into D. Solutions. First, we will find A into C. A is equal to 1, 2. C is equal to 5, 6. A into C, that means the Cartesian product of the set A with set C. This is equal to A into 5 into A into 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next, B into D. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 into D. D is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. This is equal to 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. Next, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. Next, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. Here we see that the all elements here 1, 5, 1, 5. It's also that belongs to the B into C. 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 5. 2, 6, 2, 6. Here we see that the all elements of A into C, also the elements of the set B into D. Therefore, we can write A into C is a subset of B into D. B into D. Because all elements of set A into C is also the elements of the set B into D. Therefore, we say that A into C is a subset of B into D. Hence, proof. Next, question number 8. let A equal to 1 comma 2 and B is equal to 3 comma 4 write A into B. How many subsets will A into B have? How many subsets will A into B? How many subsets will A into B? A into B have. List them. Here A is equal to 1 comma 2 and B is equal to 3 comma 4. Write A into B. Then we have A into B is equal to A is equal to 1 comma 2 and into B is equal to 3 comma 4. Then we have 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Here the total number of elements A into B. Here the total number of elements A into B is equal to 4. Here the total number of elements A into B is equal to 4. Therefore, the total subsets, here how many subset will A into B have? The total subset of A into B is equal to, therefore, total subsets of A into B is equal to 2 to the power 4. Because the total number of elements A into B is equal to 4. Therefore, the total subset of A into B is equal to 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. We know that if A has a 4 elements, then the total subset of set A is equal to 2 to the power 4. Or A has n elements, then total subset, already we have learned, if A has n elements, then the total subset of set A is equal to 2 to the power n. Therefore, the total subset of A into B is equal to 2 to the power 4 because the total number of elements A into B is equal to 4. D is equal to 16. Next, list them. Therefore, the subsets of A into B are, therefore, the subsets of A into B are 5, 1 comma 3. Here total subsets, we have total subsets 16. Total number of subsets is equal to 16. Therefore, 5 comma 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Next 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 4, 1 comma 3, subsets of A into B are 5, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next 1, 3, 1, 4. Next 1, 3, 2, 3. Next 1, 3, 2, 4. Next 1, 4, 2, 3. Next 1, 4, 2, 4. Next 2, 3, 2, 4. Next 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4. Next 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3. Next the last elements are 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Therefore, the total all subset of A into B are this. Next question number 9. Question number 9. Let A and B be two sets such that n of A is equal to 3 and n of B is equal to 2. If x, 1, y, 2, z, 1 are in A into B, are in A into B, find A and B, where x, y and z are distinct elements. Solutions. If n of A equal to 3 and n of B equal to 2, if x, 1, the elements x, 1, y, 2, z, 1 are in A into B, find A and B where x, y and z are distinct elements. We know that A into B is equal to where ordered by A, B is such that A belongs to A and element B belongs to set B. Here x, y, z belongs to set A, therefore the set A is equal to x, y, z. We know that A into B is equal to this. Here x, y, z belongs to A, therefore the set A is equal to curly bracket start x, y, z. And 1, 2 belongs to B. Here 1, 2, the second component 1, 2 belongs to set B, therefore the set B is equal to the curly bracket start 1, 2. And this is the required answer. Thank you.